Welcome to our exhilarating Appalachian Trail Section hike. Well, hey y'all, Dan here. We're starting at the Wilbur Dam Road trailhead and planning on about 37.5 miles to end up in Damascus, where we've parked our cars, and should take us about 3 days. Gonna have a lot of fun. Glad you're here with us. Here we are, the big Laurel Branch. But come along with us as we embark on this thrilling journey. We'll be going through this scenic wilderness, up some mountains, looking down into some beautiful fall colors of the valleys, breathtaking sights. I hope this will be an immersive video for you, an awe-inspiring experience here.
This trip actually picks up from where we'd stopped last June when we had planned to hike from Roan Mountain to Damascus, Virginia. We started from Mountain Harbor Bed and Breakfast and Hostel. It had been a great time. We descended down into Laurel Fork Gorge. We saw Laurel Fork Falls. It was a demanding trail, but its beauty was reward enough. We hiked up out of the gorge. It was equally as challenging. Lake Dam, we cowboy camped and tried to rest our bodies for the next day. Rick still wasn't feeling well the next day, and he stopped at the Wilbur Dam Road. I continued on. I stopped at the Cross Mountain Road, Tennessee Highway 91. There had been an encounter with another hiker who was later arrested in Pennsylvania for crimes he'd committed in South Carolina. Hoping to finish this adventure once started.
So get ready for some stunning beauty. The rhododendron is out, and we are back on the Appalachian Trail. these rhododendron forests are just sort of a staple of the AT. They look a little dry. They said it's been dry again this year. Most of the trees have dropped their leaves already. Had hoped we'd be able to see some of the fall colors, but I guess it peaked about a week and a half ago. Started the day off at the Wilbur Down Road. Started about an 800-foot ascent, and then from there we continued to go up and down those little ascents and descents. Total ascents for the day was over 3,200 feet. Total descents was nearly 1,500 feet. Went 11.3 miles. It was a challenging day. We stopped at the Iron Mountain Shelter, and on the way picked up a friend, and we had this dog with us. He was a hunting dog that got lost from his pack, and he followed us all the way to the shelter. A great first day, challenging, beautiful, and getting us ready for the next day. That'll do it for today. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay on the path, and God bless you.